Hi everybody, we're just showing you a quick demonstration right now. This is the Modular Packaging King TV4 tablet counter, and just going to put the bottles in there. And we have it set for a real low count, just so that we make sure it's flopping over from one bottle to the other. It actually has a small diverter, and we'll go around and fill one side to the desired count level you've set it for, and then of course should have some more tablets up there just to make sure it flops over. Of course, when everything's set up and positioned for the size tablet you're doing, it'll run much more efficiently. Has a small vibrator feed in here. Operates the flow from the hopper. There's a dedusting station as well. Pretty much standard on all these units. Been a standard for small volume counting for years. Thanks for joining us today for this video. Hope to see you soon. Thanks.